These Paris pickling cucumbers are about ready to harvest. My first sweet peppers come in, and this is a KB sweet pepper variety. Betel Boy hasn't produced anything yet. This is the incredibly reliable Apache chili, and if you're new to growing chili and you want a really easy, quick to grow, fairly quick to ripen chili with a bit of heat in it, I recommend Apache. Cut your teeth on Apache, learn to grow an Apache, and it'll set you up for growing anything more specialist. The calendula is just beginning to get buds on as my weather. The basil's gone a bit stroppy because it's been a bit cool, but a bit of sunlight today and it's picking up a little bit. This is one of my favourite varieties of sweet pepper. It's called Turkish Delight, and it grows a long horn of a pepper. It'll begin to turn and twist as it gets bigger, eventually goes red. And it's got a beautiful sweet paprika-y flavour. This is a new variety of pepper for me. It's Czech wax. I'm interested to see how that does. It's supposed to be quite a vigorous sweet pepper plant. There's another Turkish Delight pepper next to the melons. I've grown a number of these because it's such a lovely sweet pepper to have in